As always, we're going to start out with a little bit of percussion in the spine to help get the joints lubricated and moving better. Okay. Now I'm going to run the massage gun up and down the spine. Who doesn't like a little bit of this, right? These two muscles that I'm going up and down on the spine mirror each other on each side, so we do both sides. Okay. Now, Brooke, we are going to find out what we need to work on in the mid-back first. Okay. Breathe in, and then breathe out. Okay. Breathe in, and then breathe out. There we go. Okay, Brooke, like always, just tilt your neck for me a little bit. Thank you. Okay. And then this side. Okay. And now we're going to check your low back, Brooke. How's your low back been treating you? Pretty good?
It's been good, yeah.
It's good to hear. Okay, Brooke, let me see how your hips are doing level-wise. You can lay on either side. We're going to have to fix things on both. All right, so Brooke, I'm going to have you slide your waist towards me. Everything. Perfect. Good job. Comfortable up top? Good. We're going to just work on the pelvis. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to roll you to the other side. We're going to get your lumbars as well as your pelvis here. Slide to me just a little bit. You okay? Good. All right, let's work on your lumbar first. There we go. Okay, and now down here for your pelvis. Okay, Brooke. All right, Brooke, just relax. Let's take you back this way. Okay. Pull on the neck for you.